How to add a Shopify coming soon page to your Shopify website. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you actually want to do is click on online store right there, go to preferences and scroll all the way down. Now here you want to go to like password protection and then a message for your visitors. You want to add like coming soon and then like this, for example. And once you've done that, you want to click on save. You want to go to apps, then click on customize your store. Then you'll end up here in the store page. And here you want to search for Pagefly right here. You want to click on there and you want to add this app to your website. So let's wait for this to load. Install the app, and we've now enabled or installed this app. So once you're here, you want to go to pages right there, go to password pages, and then instead of clicking on create a new page, you want to click on create a new page from templates. So if you click on there, you want to continue, then you want to go to filter templates right there, scroll all the way down, and here you can see password page. So if you click on there, you should see these right here. So you can add like a coming soon, under construction. Like you have these 5 different templates. So you can, for example, preview this or just add it already. So select this template, for example, and then you can see it right here. So here we can just save this, call it coming soon, for example, save the page. And yeah, click on got it. And now you want to publish this. And now then if you're done, yeah, your page should, or your website should look like this right here. So this is pretty nice, pretty cool. Yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.